just kill us in Agile. And I'll tell you, it gets particularly interesting. There's two kinds of things I'm talking about here. One is the dependency between Agile and waterfall. So when I've got some of my projects are Agile and some are waterfall, right, that can be a problem because I want to release something that works end to end functionally, but my waterfall team is 6 months are done. Flip side of that is my waterfall team wants to do a whole heck of a lot of planning, so they want to know exactly what I'm delivering and when I'm delivering it, but I'm Agile, so I don't know. Right? So we butt heads a lot with those particular types of interactions. And then just generally, I can get lots of other teams out there that are saying, I need this is more important than that, and it's not always clear which is most important to prioritize. Okay, so those are some of the kinds of dependencies we see. What I will say is my tip to deal with this. Put the quote up here, rocks in a river. So something that we did on the project I told you where the CIO mandated we're going to use our biggest, most important project to go Agile with it. On that project, our team came up with something called an Agile requirements document. And I know it doesn't sound very Agile, but I don't care because it worked. It wasn't a detailed requirements document, but it was enough detail to understand, okay, here's where our dependencies are going to be on all of these other teams. And there were tons of them. This was somebody's full-time job, by the way, to go out and find where am I going to have to integrate to other systems? What do they need to know now about what I'm doing? What do I need to know about what they're doing? Right? So it's getting some of that stuff down on paper. The organization, every once in a while still uses these. They're called ARDs, Agile Requirements Documents. Has moved away from them now because most of their teams are Agile. But every once in a while they bring them out just because it gives like something tangible to help me identify what are those dependencies. Rocks in a river. Think about this. Rocks are fixed. Water flows around it, okay? So in the end, if I'm rowing down that river and I see a rock coming, I can navigate around it, right? Same thing here with these dependencies. If I know they're coming, I can work with them. So figure out those dependencies, set them in, put them in sprints, put them in specific releases, lock them in your backlog, right? And then move everything else around them. So as a product owner, if I want to prioritize, I want to move something up in priority into a sprint, let's say. I can do that, but I have to move something else out if it means I'm going to jeopardize my rock being met or delivered. Okay, does that make sense?